friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. You are here with me looking at my computer screen where I am about to do the drawing for the winner of the Edith Holden Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady book that I'm giving away as a something for to celebrate my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And I've got my URL, I've got my comments generated, so let's see if we can do this right here. Let's go down and push the correct start button, which is right here, and see what happens and see who our winner is. How exciting. I'm so excited. Tina Olay Pages. All right, it's awesome. Congratulations. I'm so glad you entered, and thank you everyone for entering and subscribing and watching my videos. I love doing the videos and making journals and all kinds of things on my channel. So let's see what Tina said. She said, "This is wonderful, Sherry. I'm so happy for you. I like the finished." Oh, I asked everyone to tell me what they liked, what kind of videos they liked. So she said, "I like the finished product flip through so I can see how others put everything together, where others put their pages and tucks, etc. If there's something cool I see, I'm always confident there's a tutorial somewhere. But the layout, why, what page came next, etc. That's what I've been keeping an eye out on lately." So anyway, thanks everybody, and I can't wait for the next giveaway, which will be soon. So keep an eye on my channel, and I'll see you all on the flip side. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Oh, Tina, my email is below my video, so just email me your address and I'll get this in the mail for you. Thanks.